Welcome to my channel. Today I will cook a traditional Bengali recipe called Chingri or bottle gourd shrimp. It's a side dish that is served in the main course along with hot steamed rice, jeera rice, fried rice and pulao. Bottle gourd helps in digestion and also cools the liver. For these reasons, it is mainly prepared during summer and monsoon. It can be prepared as a day-to-day recipe, special occasions, festivals, and also for guests. Please watch till the end as I share many explanations, tips, or recommendations and alternatives. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon. I have taken water 4 cups in a pan. I also have got shrimp 500 gram with tail only, without head and skin. Deveined. Devein means the black vein from the back is removed. Pour the shrimp into the water. Add salt 1 teaspoon. Boil the shrimp in high heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how the shrimp will look. Drain the water and keep the boiled shrimp in a strainer for some time. Add turmeric powder half teaspoon and salt half teaspoon. Coat the shrimps well with powder and salt. Keep them aside. Heat mustard oil 3 tablespoons in a karai till it fumes. Otherwise, it will smell of raw mustard oil. Pour the boiled shrimp into hot oil. Fry in medium to high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Take off the pan and keep aside. In the same karai, heat mustard oil 7 tablespoons again till it fumes. In the meantime, I have taken diced potato 1.5 cups or 2 large skin is peeled off, optional. Add turmeric powder half teaspoon and salt 1/4 teaspoon. Coat potato nicely with turmeric powder and salt. Pour potato into hot oil. Fry the potato in medium to high heat till golden brown or 5 to 6 minutes. Take off the pan and keep aside. In the remaining oil, heat ghee 1 teaspoon. Add bay leaf 1, red chili 2, split into 2, crushed cardamom 4, cloves 4, cinnamon sticks 3 medium, and mace or jowetri half of a flower, optional only for aroma. Panchforon 1 teaspoon and cumin half tablespoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add chopped onion 3/4 cup or onion paste half cup. Saute in medium to high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Add ginger paste 1 tablespoon and garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Add diced tomato 1.5 cups or tomato paste 1 cup. Turmeric powder 1½ teaspoon. Kashmiri red chili powder 2 teaspoon or red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 6 to 8 minutes. Add oil if required. Add diced bottle gourd 2 cups. Skin is peeled off. The cutting of bottle gourd is shown at the end of the video. Pour the bottle gourd into the masala. Then add the fried potato and shrimp. Add salt 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Add cumin powder ½ tablespoon and coriander powder ½ tablespoon. Mix well. I had forgotten to add them earlier. Please add them along with turmeric and chili powders. Cook in medium to high heat for 4 to 5 minutes with or without a lid. Water from the bottle gourd will come out and the curry will be cooked in its water. This is called koshano in Bengali. This process makes the curry very tasty. Stir frequently. Add water 2 cups. Mix well. Cover with a lid. Cook in high heat for 15 minutes. In between, open the lid. Stir for 1 minute. Put on the lid and cook for the remaining time. This will prevent anything getting stuck at the bottom of the karai and getting burnt. After 15 minutes, open the lid. This is what the curry looks like. Stir for 1 minute. Cut a bottle gourd to check if it is done. It cuts without any effort. This means the bottle gourd is cooked. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per taste. Add green chili 2 slit in the middle. Mix well. Switch off the gas. Leave it open. Allow steam to escape and make the curry dry. I will serve it hot with the hot steam rice. It serves 4 people. If we want, we can also sprinkle some finely cut coriander leaves or cilantro. Please make it at home. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below. You can follow me on social media with my channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life. Bye.